Full disclosure, these masks were sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Woo! Oh yeah, we got some masks right here. This is a 6-pack of DOSET masks. These are washable and reusable. 3 layers. They protect you and they're very comfortable. They're made of nice polyester material. Boom! You get not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4. You get all 6 of them. So many different colors. Look, I got a black one right here, green one, gray one, blue one, dark gray one, and a red one. You have different colors to match your different outfits. Whatever outfit you wear, you can have a matching one. 100% cotton. These are washable and reusable. You have a layer that's white inside, triple layer for more protection. They're washable and reusable. The ear loops are very elastic, provides more comfort. So comfortable ear loops right here. An area for your nose up here. These are the ear loops. They adjust. Pull the string down to change the length of the ear loop. Easy to adjust. These masks are legit nice, guys. Reusable. You can wash them yourself. They're 100% cotton, 3 layers, and the ear loops are very nice and elastic. They're adjustable. Mask looks good, it's comfortable. The ear loops are fitting. You have many different colors. You get the red one right here. It's the gray one right there. Here's the black, the blue one. Right here, they actually have a nice metallic band inside that gives you extra fitment on your nose. On top right here, there's a metal band inside that forms to fit, and that allows you better fitment on the nose. Wear it properly, it fits much better. Like a ninja. Oh yeah, Mortal Kombat style. The mask is washable and reusable. 3 layers of cotton. This thing has nice adjustable ear loops, and you have a nice metal clip right here for the nose. It fits really well, and of course you have 6-pack, many different colors. The green one, Copy Ninja. They're very breathable for 3 layers. They look good. Their ear loops are nice and comfortable, and there's a little metal piece inside that helps it conform to your nose. Super comfortable mask, washable, reusable, 100% cotton. They look good. The black one, Ninja style. Woo, wah, woo. This is the gray one right here, the dark gray. These masks are very nice and comfortable. Yeah, 6 of them and reusable. Got the ear loops, 3 layers of cloth, and nice metal brace right here. Fits really well. There you go. There you have it. These masks are nice. Oh, yes. Nice protection with these masks.